Rivers are the lifeblood of our planet, flowing through every continent and shaping our landscapes. Did you know there are over 250 major rivers worldwide? The Amazon, the longest, stretches about 4,000 miles, while the Nile, often debated as the longest, runs about 4,135 miles. These waterways support ecosystems, provide drinking water, and even serve as transportation routes. The Congo River, with its incredible biodiversity, is home to species found nowhere else on Earth. And let's not forget the mighty Mississippi, which has played a crucial role in American history. Rivers are not just water. They are vital arteries of life, culture, and history.